Convoys of truck drivers and other transport workers were protesting across the country on Tuesday as a result of the rising fuel prices. Heavy vehicles, including trucks, lorries and tractors, have travelled to towns and cities from across the country as groups continue to call for the removal of measures to reduce the cost of fuel, including a further reduction of excise duty. Dublin's O'Connell Street was closed in one direction as a convoy of trucks and tractors blocked the southbound lane. Tipperary's M8 motorway was blocked in both directions near Cashel on Tuesday morning as hundreds of trucks and vehicles formed a protest against the rising cost of fuel for farmers, hauliers and workers.
The farmers, the hauliers, the builders, people from the coach industry, they're all here today to send a very clear message. The fishermen to send a clear message. The package that they got 2 weeks ago was a disgrace. For some of them, it was little or nothing. For some of these, we'll just take the farmers' for instance. It could cost them 400 to 500 a day extra to work now with their tractors. Where is that money going to come from? That's what I'd like to ask the Taoiseach and the Taoiseach. Where's the money going to come from?
I'm here today to support the people of Ireland because our diesel is gone way out of hand. All our fuels has gone way out of hand. We have to get the government to come back in, reduce the price of diesel for people and fuels for people, or else people will not be able to eat food. Farmers won't be able to produce food. People will not be able to eat food at the cost of food if this keeps continuing. We cannot afford to produce food for under the cost of production, and we're not going to do it. So it's about time that the government came back in and said that they are going to bring down the price of these to manageable levels that people can manage their farms and manage everything.
The government took in €4.3 billion on fuel taxes last year. €4.3 billion in the middle of a cost of living crisis, the highest in the history of the state. And of course they took in €1.17 billion in carbon taxes. Again, a record figure. In 5 years, carbon taxes has gone up hundreds of percent. It's like the ghosts of the Green Party still inhabit this government. Even though we voted them out, they're still in power in this government at the moment.